Gad's Battle.
Now open your browser. Now of course, copy the original link of the web address you want to shorten. As you can see, this is a MediaFire file link. So just copy it. Now open a new tab. Just follow me. As you can see, this is a URL shortener. It is the best and also, it is legit. Now paste the link you copied previously here. Now click shorten. This link will be valid forever and also it is free. Now you can send cleaner links and also arrange your links more easier. You can use this link anywhere. Alright guys, if this video was helpful to you, drop like and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Peace out.
Love you.